Before this video begins, make sure to check out our store at gfxcomment.com. We have free templates, free graphics packs, as well as user interface and much more you can check out at our store. Thank you for all the support. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, I will be leaving a link down below to download this PSD for free. I will be doing this for the future tutorials as well, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. And yeah, that's it. YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I want to show you guys how to make this cool little Lego block icon that you see right here. I think this will be pretty fun to make. So yeah, let's get right into it. Make sure to leave a like. Videos are going to be coming out daily, so you can expect brand new tutorials on pretty much anything you could think of. So yeah, let's get right into it. It's very simple. We're gonna start off with a new layer, and you want to go to the left side of your screen. You want to click and hold onto, well, it depends on which you have used previously, but mine is the ellipse. We're gonna go for the rounded rectangle tool that you see right here, and for the radius, I wanna say we could go for 20 or 25. It depends on how big you want to make your shape. So for me, I think 20 could work. I'm going to click and hold, and then I'm gonna hold Shift and Alt on my keyboard right there, and we're just gonna drag our shape out like this. So there we go. This shape has a tiny bit of distortion here, if you could see. So I think, all right, let's start off with double clicking the icon so we could change the color to a nice blue color first of all, before we do anything else. Okay, looks good to me. All right, let's go Control T, right click and warp. We could try inflate, possibly like that. As you can see, we go for this. I think that looks pretty good. All right, next let's make a new layer. Right click and let's hit create clipping mask right here. We're gonna use our brush tool. Make your foreground color black. Make sure your hardness is all the way down. Opacity around 40, 35, flow around 30 as well. And we're just gonna use this to paint a gradient on the shape like this. You can change the mode to overlay. You could copy this, Control J, just make the mask again. There we go. I think that looks pretty good. Next, let's right click on the actual shape. Let's go into blending options. I'm gonna go for let's go for inner shadow. Okay, mode is overlay. Let's change the color into white, and for the angle I'm gonna go for -90. Okay, just like that. All right, I'm gonna adjust these settings a little bit, as you can see. Check these right here, just like that. And lower the opacity a little bit. Okay, that looks good to me. Okay, let's hit OK. Nice. Alright, let's make a new layer again. If you have this layer selected with layers that are clipped in, if you click this and make a new layer, it will automatically clip this layer inside. So we could take this, let's use our pencil. Let's make our color white, and let's go change this into shape. And for here, we're just gonna click. Just gonna click up here, and then I'm just gonna click here, click up here, round this off by clicking and dragging, and then I want to go up here a little bit like that, circle around. So we have this shape, and then we can make a new layer again. Let's click and hold for our ellipse tool. So make a nice little shape. Okay, Control T, rotate this around. You could resize that. So this is going to go just right here. All right, let's make these little circle things. So make a new layer. We're gonna go for the ellipse tool, and let's do the inside part first. So I'm gonna hold Alt, click on this color, and drag out a nice little ellipse shape for the outside. Right click, blending options, And right here, we're gonna go for inner shadow. Let's do this quickly. Let's make the color black. Angle will be 90 because it's coming from the top, as you can see, like that. You can increase the choke and size down. I think mode normal will be better actually. Let's go for something like this, right? Okay, 55 should work. Hit OK. We're gonna copy this shape, Control J to make a copy, and I'm gonna take the FX icon on the side of the layer, this right here. I'm going to drag the effects into the trash can, and once I let go, the effects will disappear. So I'm gonna take this, and then I'm gonna go back to my ellipse tool. I'm gonna go to fill, turn off fill by clicking this, and go stroke and turn on stroke by hitting this. So 15, that's a bit too much. Let's go for 10. We're gonna hit Control T, enlarge this. So we got that. As you can see, looks pretty good. And now we can take the original. We could take the. Let's take this actually. Let's drag this down to the bottom beneath these two. And I'm just gonna move this down. And I'm gonna turn on fill, turn off stroke. If you could turn off. Okay, I'm gonna change the color now to this dark blue, purple color-ish that you see right here. So enlarge this, adjust this until it looks like it's right there. Okay, let's take these three, place these here, Control J, and if you hold Alt and Shift and you drag, this will make a copy for you like that. Position these. I'm gonna take all these and move them to our shape. Alright, so now let's make this part. So how are we gonna make this? Let's take the original shape, hold Alt, drag this down to make a copy. Let's move this down, okay? And I think I'm gonna go double click, change the color first of all. Let's click this color. I don't know why it's lagging for some reason. It's a bit annoying, but this is gonna go right here. I think we could hit Control T, right click, warp. And if we move this out a little bit, I don't know, could be good. Move this up, out, and up. Kind of like that, I suppose. Let's remove the effects on this one. And let's make a new layer. Clip this into this layer, and let's use the color black brush, and we're just gonna paint right here, as you can see, like that. Use the color white for the middle part, and make this mode into overlay. There we go. We could also right click, blending options, got a nice inner shadow, mode normal, angle -90 for this bottom part, overlay. Just gonna smooth this out like that. Perfect, I like that. There we go, I like that. Alright, now we can take everything, click the top, hold shift, click the bottom layer, Control G, Control J to copy, right click and hit convert to smart objects. Let's go into blending options for this one, and I'm just going to hit stroke. And for this, we're gonna go for a nice blue outline. Alright, perfect. So if we copy this, place this in the middle, I'm gonna make an extra copy for the back. Here, filter, blur, I'm gonna hit Gaussian blur. I don't know why, I think this will look nice. And yeah, that is going to be it for this video. I hope this helps with creating some cool icons. You could take the same techniques and see how these apply to making your own custom shapes. So yeah, if this video helps you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, check out our store, join the Discord, and with that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.